Hi, I am Kaiser on Two Wheels, and today we will see a bit more of our Portuguese end-to-end tour. Let's film a bit of my tour buddies. If they let me catch up to them, which is unlikely. The GS1200 is very fast, the KTM is just ridiculously fast. That is one huge ass caravan. Oh, by the way, I have no comms, so I'll just have to follow that guy. Holy freaking cow, that's... oh, I get it. We caught up to the slow caravan. Wow, there are bikes as far as the eye can see. Just look at this. That's a lot of wind also. See? Ah, there he is. I see the KTM now. And so the GS is going to bolt now. So I'm getting ready. Thing is with all these overtakes is that everyone has their pace, okay? So someone's going fast, they overtake a billion bikes, and then up ahead they stop for a bit for food, drink, whatever. Loads of bikes go by them, they start, they re-overtake a few bikes. In the meantime, then they slow down a bit because the pace is too high, so they slow down a bit to enjoy something, and they are overtaken by a few more bikes. And then people tend to clump together due to that, and keep on overtaking and overtaking and overtaking, and it creates these mess. It's just a lot of bikes. And then, since bikes aren't cars, we don't form a caravan, because bikes can always get past. And so, we get this mess. Nah, but it's cool. We haven't had much dangerous things, only a bit of discourtesy every now and then, a few closer calls, but nothing major, no issues really. Just a few tiny what the hell was that guy thinking moments, but not oh my god I almost died. Just a few come on, give me some space moments. Yeah, I really like the GS guy to keep up with the KTM, because I don't want to lose sight of that guy. Oh, I see him again, and slow. One lane, so we slow, we get back onto dual file. And this whole traffic is because there's someone, wait, that is slightly slower. Up ahead, and then it's generating a lot of traffic. Thing is, with all these touring bikes with their side cases, it's not really that easy to overtake on the same line. You can't just go, because bikes are wide. The GSs are gigantically wide. And that KTM, just look at that, it's huge. There's an Africa Twin right behind me. Okay, thank you for the space. See, this is how you behave in a caravan. Even though this is not correct, we should be going off-center from each other. But there's no showing off. Everyone's going at their pace. If you need to overtake, you do so whenever it's possible. safely, calmly, and things tend to work out correctly. Tend to work out okay, actually. Here comes an Africa Twin on the left. My pointing to you was also serving to him to say go on the left of me. I am waiting for that, so I'll just stay here. Oh, my back is killing me. This bike is awesome, but the seat is now, after nearly, what, 500, 700 kilometers straight. Now it's beginning to hurt my bum a bit, but my back are killing me. Oh, my back are seriously killing me. I'll need a massage when I get there. Oh, my back. Jeez. Now check out this awesome road. Another little village, huge farm there. Farmhouse, not farm, farmhouse. Oh, big turn. Car. Shit. I went wide there. Very wide. Wow, tight turns. I was not reading this correctly, I was distracted. Truck. Ok. Eu foda-se, estava a olhar para o roadbook e ia-me espetando. E em frente. Eu olho para a frente e foi, foda-se, aqui uma curva, pá. Não, já se piscou. Não é assim tanto. Olha, esta é a tal saída para o IC8, a tal curva para a direita com muitas localidades. Continua, é em frente. Continua, esta é a tal saída para muitas localidades. Sim, agora é em frente. A próxima é à esquerda para a barragem de Cabril, daqui a 3 km. Yeah. E depois deve dizer barragem do Cabril, em frente Pedrógão Pequeno, para a direita IC8. Holy cow. Não, chamar como? Eu não consigo ter o telefone emparelhado nestas condições. Porque vocês para mim são um telefone, percebes? Eu estou emparelhado como se fosse um telefone, portanto eu não posso usar telefone. Não estou a chamar. Yeah. Estamos quase. É um cruzamento, portanto. É só para a gente não se entusiasmar e não ir em frente, não é? Estou mesmo a ver a acontecer, vejo passar o cruzamento, depois, espera aí! Ok, aqui à esquerda. Isso é uma moto, não um carro, pá. Não, não, é... Passaste a cena da igrejazinha colorida e agora é sempre em frente de 300 metros, Casa Ocre. Pois, ok. Não viramos à esquerda na Casa Ocre. Já. É depois da Rua do Cabril também, é seguir a isso. Sim, é por aí, minhas bestas, vão lá em frente. É que isto é uma ponte muito pequenininha para passar, percebes? Alguém se acagaçou. Eu ali não passo. Gotta move on. Come on, boys. Chop chop. We don't have all day. Sheesh. My bike, it is overheating, yeah?